Hey everyone, welcome to another toy review. Today we're looking at some more Micro Machines, and I ended up getting the other mini vehicle hauler, as you can see. So we got the yellow version this time with the, if it decides to focus, with the green car that's on the picture here. So if we look at the back, it's the same as the yellow hauler we got. No, the green hauler we got last time. But we actually have the yellow one this time, so yeah. So we're gonna open this up. Not really much to look at because it's gonna be the same as last time, but mainly wanna look at the new car. But yeah, so bear with me for a moment, and we're back. So the hauler, like I said, is pretty much the same as before, slightly different shape, I think, if I remember correctly, and obviously different color, but other than that, it's exactly the same. Still have the rubber bands on it, haven't taken that off yet. But we have this car, so this is just gonna be a short video. If we just move this frame so that we can hopefully, no? Why did you not want to focus on the car? Not sure why it's doing this. Okay, I think that's okay from here. So, yeah, pretty cool car. And this thing still detaches. Yeah, very cool. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. It's just the one machine and the hauler. So yeah, thank you for watching as always, and hope you enjoyed. Thank you.